Yeah guys, well, it's sort of party. Why? Now well, I'm not that long on YouTube, but I have 4,000 views already. Wow. So with a few fits well, it's pretty awesome I think. But I want to go to 10,000 a week, so I have to make a lot of good fits. So what's going on right here, right now? Over here restored. Got some chips, empty bottles, and I got myself hooked up the traffic center what I had laying around. So alright. So I have now studying for car mechanic, and I'm a I don't know how I call it, but work by business. 2 days a week I work by business and 3 days to school. So yeah, we sold a lot last time, so we made this week 100 euros profit. So we bought stuff for 200 in total and we sold it for 300, you could say. So yes. Alright, I also have some sad news. Our building where we hang around a lot is demolished, sort of. So I will upload a vid about that too. So yeah, just some small quick update. Few more still not sold, but I'm gonna show you my shelves. Up here in a room I have to make solid because plants of neighbors growing in here. So here's 2 shelves, some cutters, and a lot of cylinders. Just kidding. Some wheel ups, some cutters, plop you see. Key from 3VW. So alright, so this is a short small update. So alright.